Welcome to Unanet AE, powered by Clearview, our purpose-built ERP for architecture and engineering firms. The first thing that you'll see when logging in is your dashboard. And your dashboard is a great place to get key insights about your data. You can view trends and do analysis on the different positions and inner workings of your firm. From there, you'll notice that the application is broken out into really three sections. We have our navigation pane, which consists of our modules and applets, our workspace, which is where you'll perform the work, and then your toolbar. And for a basic flow here, you'll simply browse your modules and open an applet in the workspace. And then as you can see, the toolbar reacts to the applet that you're in. Now, one of the great things about the application is that you can have multiple applets open at one time. So whether you're working on project management or building your pipeline through opportunities, you can work in context with whatever you're trying to accomplish. From the toolbar, there are two options that will never change. One is your help menu, where you can very quickly browse out to our online manual and our online support site, where you'll find great FAQs, online courses, and other key resources for running Unanet AE. And then the other option that will never change is your way back home to your dashboard. From the file menu, you can always very quickly get back to your dashboard, which again is a great place for doing data analysis and can really serve as a launch place for the rest of your work in the application. When logging into Unanet AE, the first thing you'll see is your dashboard. Now, your dashboard really serves as a launching place for the rest of your work in the application. From your dashboard, you can get key insights into the different positions across your organization. Take this dashboard, for instance. I can view at a high level how we're performing in terms of our utilization, effective multiplier. I can view our backlog, unbilled, and how that's converting into our AR and cash flow. And then for each of these metrics, I can view some detailed information, for instance, about cash, about my running AR, unbilled, backlog, and then more details on utilization. Another thing that you'll note about our analytic dashboards is that they're fully responsive. So if I wanted to filter based on a time series, I can quickly snap in to the time that I want to view and then move through time. And as you can see, the dashboard reacts very quickly to that as I move through. I can, of course, view it in segments or wide open. Another thing to note about our dashboards is that they're fully interactive with the rest of the application. So if I want to look at my opportunity forecast and create a new opportunity, by clicking this link, I can interact with the application itself and do data entry right here, sourced from the dashboard. So our dashboards provide real-time analytics right at your fingertips and empowers your organization to get smarter and more efficient over time. And our analytic dashboards can be viewed both here in the desktop application and in our easy-to-use mobile-enabled web application. So let's talk about time and expense entry. With Unanet AE, we've made time and expense entry simple. With very easy-to-use screens, employees can very quickly come in, enter their time, enter comments for their time with the use of snippets or templated timesheet comments. Just makes it very, very simple to quickly enter time, both accurately and in a timely fashion. And the same for expense sheets. We've designed these screens in such a way that it gives a very familiar usage across both the time and the expense sheet. So expense sheets, they can quickly tab through, enter expenses with fully controlled markups with the use of expense codes. They can pass through invoice comments or make internal notes, and then, of course, attach documents and assign them to the line item that they're associated with. Now, from an approver standpoint, for time and expense approvals, we've got a great applet for approving time and expense. As an approver, I can come in here and very quickly filter into the employees I want to evaluate, and then simply select the time or expense sheet for evaluation. I can get some great details about ensuring the job title and the labor category is correct, can review comments, and then, of course, approve or reject as appropriate right from approver. So that's time, expense, and approvals. All three of these areas are available for use in our desktop application as well as in our web application, which is easy to use and mobile enabled. So that's time, expense, and approvals. With Unanet AE, project managers have an easy-to-use system to both view and control project data. Beginning with Project Central, project managers will be able to visualize the positions of their projects with great details that allow them to click through and view the detailed transactions behind the metrics they're seeing. Project managers can participate in online bill review, manage contracts, budgets, and schedules, all right here from Project Central. From a pipeline perspective, opportunities can be visualized in our card view, so you can really get a sense for your project pipeline. And once won, projects are easily converted into billable projects. From a planning and resource perspective, Unanet AE comes with a comprehensive project planning space where project managers can build work breakdown structure, add budgets, allocations, and schedules, visualize their schedules with Gantt charting, and track their earned value to ensure that their projects are completed on budget and on time. We also have a resource schedule, which allows you to visualize your employees and how they're scheduled so you can do quick analysis and load balancing as needed. Finally, your project managers will benefit from our full suite of project reports that give you great details on the positions of your projects. You can run reports based on a comprehensive list of filters so you can really see the project information you need right at your fingertips. And what's more, with our analytic dashboards, both project managers and principals alike will be able to get an analytic view of their project trends. So that's project management with Unanet AE. Your project managers will have an integrated, centralized application with real-time insights into their projects. Unanet AE comes with built-in efficiencies and automations to help you get invoices out the door quickly and receive payments faster. From online bill review to our automated invoicing tool, let's take a look at how to produce an invoice like this with Unanet AE. This all starts in our online bill review, where accounting staff can perform bill review with direct feedback from project managers in summary or at the detailed level. Adjustments are easy to make using our streamlined bill review. From there, our invoice automation will help save you lots of time. It is easy to use and helps you invoice your clients quickly en masse. Posted invoices can be easily reviewed and processed for collection with support for transaction history, running comments, and sending automated reminder emails with detailed email tracking. Finally, you can use payment facilitation to collect payments via ACH and credit card for quicker accounts receivable resolutions. Unanet AE comes fully featured to give you complete control over your bottom line. With built-in accounting controls and support for audit trail, multi-company, and multi-currency, you'll get comprehensive, integrated financials in a single software package. Unanet AE can help you streamline your financial processes and keep your accounting and production staff on the same page. From a CRM perspective, Unanet AE helps you manage relationships with your clients and track things like an opportunity forecast or time and effort toward an awarded project. Using Unanet AE, you'll be able to review your performance and forecast your progress in real time with analytic dashboards. And once you've won a project, easily switch it to billable or create a new one. Unanet AE provides a comprehensive platform for automation and integration. Use our powerful actions to perform complex tasks behind the scenes or to facilitate data entry by walking employees through a simplified dialogue, which cuts down on onboarding and training time. What's more, Unanet AE features API management and a full tech stack, which provides you the flexibility to build automations and integrate with other third-party systems. Unanet AE features a mobile-friendly web application that works cross-platform to bring the power of your insights and workflows to wherever your work takes you. Let's take a look. Timesheets enable the anytime and anywhere collection of hours for tracking project effort and supporting systems like payroll, invoicing, project accounting, and job cost accounting. Optimized for mobile use, expense sheets allow employees to quickly capture travel and material expense with support for easy receipt attachment. Both time and expense make data entry on the go easy with streamlined project search and our location-aware Projects Near Me search feature. Approvals provide a simple user experience for approving managers to review, approve, and reject time and expense, with support for multi-select, attachment review, status visibility, and employee notifications via email. Dashboards provide quick and easy-to-use visuals to project management and leadership with our mobile responsive analytic dashboards. With web, you'll have key performance indicators and insights all right at your fingertips. Finally, using web, you can run key reports and actions right from your mobile device. Flows, built on actions, will help reduce training and implementation time with easy-to-use wizard-style workflows. By using actions, you can encapsulate complex forking and looping logic in the way it gathers data for your employees. So that's Unanet AE in the web, easy to use and mobile-friendly, with powerful insights across the enterprise and simplified workflows for each employee.